Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Solution 1. Let's get straight to the point. Passive income is a powerful tool to improve your financial health, provide you with more freedom, and boost your overall quality of life. In this video, we're going to explore 3 actionable steps that you can take to start generating passive income. These steps are: creating an online store, utilizing skills for online tutoring or consulting, and investing wisely. Let's dive right into the first action, creating an online store. This is an excellent way to generate income without having to trade your time for money. Here's how you can make it happen. The first step is to determine what kind of products you intend to sell. These can either be physical products, digital products, or even services. You can leverage your skills or hobbies to create unique items or services to offer. Now that you've figured out what you're going to sell, the next step is to find a platform. Some of the popular platforms you can use are Shopify, Etsy, or even Google. These platforms provide you with the tools necessary to create an online shop without any coding skills. Set up your store, and carefully craft your product descriptions to make them sound as appealing as possible. Next, price your products appropriately. You should aim to cover your costs, make a profit, and still keep your prices competitive. Therefore, do some market research to figure out the average price range for the products you're selling. Lastly, promote your online store. The key to generating income through an online store is getting your products in front of potential customers. Leverage social media platforms, email newsletters, and even consider setting up a Google AdWords campaign. Remember, the more visibility your store has, the more potential for sales. Creating an online store may seem daunting at first, but with the right steps and commitment, it can indeed serve as an advantageous passive income stream. Your store can be running 24/7, making sales even while you're asleep. So, why not start today? Generate passive income and take the next step towards achieving financial freedom. Solution 2. Perfect. Now that you're all set with your online store, let's move on to the second action, utilizing your skills for online tutoring or consulting. This method of generating passive income is especially beneficial if you have certain expertise or passion in a field. To start with, it's critical to identify what your skills are. You might be a savvy business professional, a talented musician, or even a yoga enthusiast. Who knows? Your skills could be unique to you. Once you have identified your areas of expertise, it's time to put these to work. Online platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare allow you to create and upload your courses. And do you know the best part? You create and upload the course once, but it continues to generate income as long as people sign up for it. Next, outline your course content meticulously. Ensure it's clear, concise, and creates a lot of value for the students. Remember, people should get the feeling of, "This was worth my time and money," after taking your course. Once you have developed the courses, the next step is to price them accurately. Consider factors like the complexity of the course content, the average market price, and the level of expertise required to understand your courses. But, how can people know about this great course you've developed? Promotion, that's essential. Share the course information on your social media accounts, ask friends and family to share it, use email marketing, and even consider paid advertising. The more eyes you get on the courses, the higher your chances of making sales. Additionally, you don't solely have to rely on these platforms to conduct online classes. You could also host webinars or live sessions on your own website or through platforms like Google Meet and Zoom. The beauty of online tutoring or consulting is that you are leveraging work you have already done to generate income. Thus, it certainly lives up to the promise of a passive income stream. Solution 3. Excellent. Now that we have talked about the first two solutions for generating passive income, let's delve into the third action, investing wisely. One of the principal keys to financial independence is effectively putting your money to work for you. And one of the most prominent ways to do this is through intelligent investing. Let's consider the concept of investing in stocks. Imagine purchasing a share in a company as buying a piece of the company. If the company sees success, you also profit from its success. To start investing in the stock market, you'll want to open an online brokerage account. Platforms such as eToro, Robinhood, or Fidelity are popular choices offering a wide range of investing opportunities. Start by investing in what you know and have an understanding of the risks involved. Another form of investment to consider is real estate. Owning rental properties can be a great source of passive income. Reliable tenants provide a steady monthly income while the property itself often appreciates in value over time. Various websites and real estate platforms can facilitate finding such investment properties. However, investing doesn't always have to be as conventional as stocks or real estate. For instance, consider innovative opportunities like peer-to-peer lending platforms. Websites such as Lending Club allow you to lend money to others in return for interest, almost like playing the bank. Another form of unconventional investing can be in the form of a silent business partnership. With some capital at hand, you can invest in someone else's business, earn a share of the company's profit, and yet you don't necessarily need to be involved in the business's day-to-day operations. Remember, all investing involves risks. It's essential to do your due diligence and research thoroughly before starting with any investment. It might seem intimidating at first, but once you understand the fundamentals and commit to long-term, mindful investing, the results can be immensely rewarding. The power of investing wisely is that your money is working for you, and that is the essence of passive income. Reminder to subscribe. Find the class link in the description below. Conclusion. Alright folks, we've shared invaluable insights on generating passive income through creating an online store, utilizing your skills with online tutoring or consulting, and investing wisely. Before we conclude, I have a couple of things for you. If you're keen on learning more and taking decisive action towards achieving financial independence, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. We share practical, actionable strategies that cater to your unique circumstances and help you make strides towards your financial goals. Each week, I unpack different methods to earn passive income, and I'd love for you to join this community and spark a fruitful conversation with like-minded people. Moreover, I invite you to take a more profound leap and take my free online courses. There, I show you how you can use my templates and automation to have 3 income streams in just a few hours. And look at individual situations and create personalized plans to maximize your potential of earning passive income. The class is tailored to fit your schedule and is self-paced to suit your learning style. If you sign up for the free training, I have a special bonus for you. My free ebook. It provides a comprehensive guide on generating passive income. It further delves into the strategies we've discussed and a whole host of other profitable methods that you can tap into today. To get your copy, simply check out the link in the description below and begin your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the beauty of passive income is that it continues to flow in, reducing your reliance on your regular job and allowing you greater flexibility and peace of mind. So, why wait? Start today and transform your financial future.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated Faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.